Welcome to Statistics Made Easy. In today's video, we shall see how to codify our data. So consider you have a data after completing your survey in the form of high, medium and low. So let's create the data first in the form of high as 4 times, replicating medium as 3 times and replicating low for 4 times. So let's see, this is our data. Level is equal to combine within bracket low comma medium comma high, everything within quotes. So these are the 3 levels. Okay, so let us codify using factor command. So let's write code is equal to factor within bracket data comma levels. These are the 2 subsets we have defined above, and labels are the new thing we will define as equal to combine C within bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3. So these are the 3 levels coded as level 1 2 3. So let's run this. So this output can be seen using data.frame. So within bracket data comma code. So there are the 2 columns wherein all medium, high and low will be coded as 2, 3 and 1. So see, high is coded as 3, medium is coded as 2 and low is coded as 1. So anything can be coded like this. There can be multiple like high, low, medium, these are the 3. So you can have even 7-point Likert scale also converted into 1 to 7 codes. Right, then let us consider a quantitative data in a form of continuous data can be also coded as 1 2 3 as per our requirement. So this is my data and I have to grade this data as, so I will use command letters from 1 to 4 comma grades. So these are the A, B, C, D grades within which above the continuous data will be categorized. So these are the grades A, B, C, D. So I have these 4 grades A, B, C, D, and using cut command we can use this data. We can break this data as 0 to 40 will be graded as A, 40 to 50 will be graded as B, 50 to 60 will be graded as C, and above 60 up to 100 will be given a grade as D. So let us label it. Label is equal to grades comma include dot lowest is equal to T, means lower limit, for example 0 to 40. So lower limit 0 will be considered and upper limit 40 will be neglected if we write is equal to F. So using data.frame we can see the output. Data comma code. So let's run this. See, up to from 0 to 39 everything is coded as A. So 20 is coded as A. Then above 40 up to 49 everything is coded as B. So above 50 up to 59 will be coded as C, and above 60 up to 100 everything will be coded as D. So output is evident in front of you. So instead of letters, if I want to codify the output as 1 2 3 4, that also can be possible using C into bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3 and 4. So instead of A B C D, the output will be graded as 1 2 3 4. You can use Roman letters or whatever you want. See, so everything is coded exactly in line with the earlier thing. So if you like this video, Do like, share and subscribe our channel for getting continuous valuable inputs on R and Python. Thank you.